do you grab the crafting supplies at Dollar Tree? So I'm going to tell you some of my favorite ones from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, you can see right now, it is a little scarce. For some reason lately in this area, it has been very scarce. At my Dollar Tree, they'll stock up and then it just is gone. But they have come out with some new things over time. I haven't tried this yet, but they do have a $3 glue gun, but you can get like a $5 one from like Michael's or so. These crates, I saw someone do a bar cart with these crates, and they do have kind of a sturdy feel. I wanted to compare them to sizing wise to the ones at like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, but they stacked a few of those together and then they made like a cute little bar cart. But the crafting supplies that I do love, I love these. I love a 2-pack. You can get a 2-pack of these. You can get them square. You can get them circular. Those are a good find about get. They have the acrylic boards. Sometimes you can make some fun crafts with those. These are always fun. Like the wreaths, you can make some really fun, creative things with those. So they have the little mini plaques here, but they have a bigger one now that you can grab for $3, and they have those in a few different shapes, and I think that one is a good one to get. They have the wooden dowels in a set, so you can get a set of 4. It's a good size. You can cut these down, you can use them that size. I like that they have a lot of just wood shapes because you can get really creative with these. So they have sometimes, not today, like I said, this usually comes stocked and then it goes quick. They have the wood boards from time to time. A lot of fun supplies that you can do fun craft parties with at Dollar Tree. But they have a lot of these now too that you can get. These are fun to grab. These, if you can find these are great. And then they have the cone ones. So they have this size. These are great. And then the wood blocks, I love those too at Dollar Tree. Another one of my favorite crafting supplies. They don't keep them in the craft aisle, they keep them in the children's section because they are a toy. But the tumbler blocks, like so they're like Jenga blocks, and you get a good amount in there, and you can do some fun crafts with these. They only have a few left, but these are some of my favorite crafting supplies from Dollar Tree. Another one that I love too, the paper. So you can get these rolls of paper. You can use them I use them for pattern making, but you can use them for other things too. You get a good size roll, and it's $1.50 now or $1.25 still. But you get this paper too, the craft paper. That is a good one. The giant clothespins, these are fairly new, and these are a fun one to craft with also. So they have been coming out with a lot of good. They have a lot of kits too that they've come out with lately at Dollar Tree. But a lot of new things, a lot of good old faithful ones. Resin, if you wanted to do some resin work, you can try that out with Dollar Tree. The tie-dye ones, so they have the individual colors that you can get so you can play around with that. They have a lot of ones that I do just go to and just use frequently. At Dollar Tree that you can get organizational items that you can get. The sewing items are new at Dollar Tree. This sewing needles, I've never seen these before. I've seen some of the new sewing supplies they have. I always carry one of these around in my purse. These I've never seen in the sewing supplies. So that, because sewing needles, they are expensive. I wonder the quality of these. $1.25. I'm gonna give these a try. Then they have the jewelry making stuff, so you can see they have the clasps and different things for the jewelry here. They'll have charms and stuff like that. The keychains were a big thing when they came out, but now you can find those at like Michael's, Hobby Lobby. You can find different ones. You can make a lot of fun crafts with the popsicle sticks here. Let's see what else. Just a lot of good things in the crafting section. I do, like I said, have a few favorites that I'm always going to go to, but you can get a lot of good things. The little eyeballs are always good for crafts. You can grab those. The glue sticks, this is new, so they have like a new industrial strength glue stick. That is an interesting one too.